In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a call from a lead's profile and capture the details so your team and future self stay perfectly aligned. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your organization so you see the right leads and data. Logging in puts you on your Pipedrive home screen, and from here, everything we need is only a few clicks away. If you use multi-factor authentication, have that ready so you can move through this quickly. Next, head to Leads. You'll find it in your main navigation. The Leads section is where unqualified prospects and early conversations typically live before they become deals. Opening Leads brings up your inbox, which is designed for quick triage and outreach, so it's the perfect place to start a call. Now, choose the specific contact you want to call. Open their lead so you can see all the details in one view. This page should display the essential information you've collected so far. Take a second to confirm that the record includes a valid phone number. That helps ensure the call button appears and that the call connects as expected. Find the phone section on the lead and click the phone number to start the call. Depending on your setup, Pipedrive may use its built-in caller or handoff to your default calling app. If your browser asks for microphone permissions, allow them so your audio comes through clearly. For the best sound, plug in a headset and make sure you're somewhere quiet before you click to dial. If a small prompt appears, click "Got it." This is usually a first-time tip or confirmation, and acknowledging it clears the way so the call can proceed without interruptions next time. When the call ends, capture what happened while it's fresh. In the notes area on the lead, write a concise summary of the flow of your call. The purpose, key points discussed, any questions raised, and any commitments or next steps that were mentioned. Clear notes help you and your teammates pick up the thread later without guesswork. Finally, click Save. This attaches your note to the lead's timeline, preserving the context for future follow-ups and reporting. A saved note is your single source of truth, making your pipeline more reliable and your next outreach easier. That's it. Log in, go to Leads, open the contact, click the number, acknowledge the prompt, take your note, and save. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.